An outsider has been persistently trying to pull him away from you. She's resorting to dark arts, creating a chasm between you two, which is why he's gone silent. But he doesn't want to be with this third party. He longs for you and wishes to return. Remember, at this critical time, refrain from reaching out. Don't text him. Don't call him. Instead, hold on to this audio. It's the key to breaking the spell. Post it privately. Let its unseen power work its magic. This act will neutralize the third party's dark influence. Trust in the strength of your connection. In less than 48 hours you'll see the change. The third party's hold will weaken and he'll gravitate back to you where his heart truly lies.